Hi children, welcome to maths classes. Children, today let's see how to represent real numbers on the number line. Children, what are real numbers? Real numbers are the set of rational and irrational numbers. Both these come under real numbers. So let us see how to represent all these real numbers on the number line. We do this using the process of successive magnification, children. Using the process of successive magnification. What is magnifier, children? You all know about magnifier, right? If you see in the magnifier, small things also will look big. So, number line. Real numbers means it will be decimal points, right? Number line, using this magnification methods, we can represent these real numbers, children. Let's see now. Visualize 5.37 bar on the number line up to 5 decimal places. Up to 5 decimal places, we should represent this 5.37 bar on the number line. 5.37 bar. Bar is there only on digit 7, children. So only 7 will be repeating. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, they said up to 5 decimal places, right? 7 will repeating and so on you can write. But they asked to represent up to 5 decimal places. So let us consider 5 decimal places. After decimal point, let us consider 5 digit. 5.37 bar. Children, first assume till 1 decimal point, children. That is 5.3. Where will 5.3 be on the number line, children? Where will 5.3 be? 5.3 is more than 5 and it is less than 6. So, suppose step 1, this is a number line and you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the number line. So 5.3, let us consider 1 decimal point first. So 5.3 will be there somewhere in between 5 and 6, somewhere here. So let's use magnifying glass to observe this. Let's divide this 5 and 6, only 5 to 6 into 10 parts. Children, if you see in the magnifying glass, you can see large, right? So using a magnifying glass, assume that we are using a magnifying glass. 5 to 6, divide it into 10 parts. After 5 you get 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6 and so on till 6. Children, we need 5.3. So 5.3 will be where, children? After 5 and before 5.5. See here you will find 5.3. So assume a magnifying glass and see that you know, children, between any two numbers there are infinite numbers, children. Between any two numbers there are infinite numbers. So between 5 and 6 also you will find many numbers, many decimal numbers, that is many irrational or rational numbers. So let us divide 5 to 6 into 10 parts, then you can find 5.3. Now till 5.3 you are able to find on the number line. Next, assume another decimal place, 5.37. Here you found 5.3. Now, how to find 5.37? Where is 5.37 on the number line, children? You can clearly tell that it is after 5.3. It is more than 5.3. It is more than 5.3. 5.37 is more than 5.3 and it is less than 5.4. So children, use magnifying glass again. Assume that there is a magnifying glass and divide the line between 5.3 and 5.4 into 10 places, children. Mark 5.3 and 5.4. Assume that 5.3 and 5.4 is seen using magnifying glass and divide it into 10 parts. That means after 5.3 you get 5.31. Next you get 5.32. Next you get 5.33. Next 5.34. Next 5.35. Next 5.36. Next 5.37. 5.38, 5.39, 5.39, then 5.40. So children, using magnifying glass, again you divided 5.3 to 5.4 into 10 parts. Why did you take this line segment itself? Why between 5.3 5.4 we are observing? Because it is 5.37. That means it will be greater than 5.30 and it will be less than 5.40. So this part of the line segment we use magnifying glass and observed. Then we divide it into 10 parts. Assume in that way, children. After 5.30, 5.3 is nothing but what? It is 5.30. So after 5.30 you get 5.31. Next 5.32. In that way, divide 5.3 to 5.4 into 10 parts. Now you got 5.37. Now what they are asking, children? After till 5 decimal places, till 5.37 you found here. Then what? Take another decimal place. 5.377. 5.377. Children, you know 5.37 now. 5.37. So where will 5.377 be? It is greater than 5.370 and it is less than 5.40. Right? So you can also tell it is less than 377. So it is less than 5.380. So divide the place between 5.37 and 5.38 into 10 equal parts now. Now assume that you use magnifying glass between 5.370 and 5.380. Here you found 5.37, then you have 5.38. They are asking 5.377. So it will be somewhere in between 5.37 and 5.83. So let's divide this into 10 parts now. 5.371. Next you get 5.372 and so on. After 5.375, you get 5.376. Then 5.377. Then 378. Then 5.379. So we are able to locate 5.377, which is between 5.376 and 5.378. So now we are able to locate till 3 decimal places. Let us assume another decimal place now. 5.3777. 5.3777, another 7. Till 4 decimal places. So we found 5.377, children. Where will 5.3777 be? It is greater than 5.3770 and it is less than 5.3. After 70 you get 71, 72, 73 and so on till 80. So it is less than 5.3780. Now again use magnifying glass and observe in between 5.377 and 5.378. Divide it into 10 parts. 5.3770. This is in between these two, children. Here we found 5.370. So between 5.3770 and 5.378 you observe now. Divide it into 10 places. You get 5.3771. Then 5.3772. You will get somewhere what? 5.377234775. 5.3775. Then you get 5.3776. Then you get 5.3778. Then 5.3779, children. Then you get 5.3780 after 7 and 80. So 5.3780. Now you are able to locate 5.3777 on the number line. Where is it, children? 5.3776. Then you get 5.3777. Then 5.378. Then 5.3779. Then you get 5.37780. So you are able to find 5.3777 here, children. 5.3777 you are able to find. It is between 5.3776 and 5.3778. Next, children. Till here you are able to find. Then they are asking 5.3, 4 sevens. 5.3 4 sevens. Where will it be, children? It will be after you got 5.3 right? After 777 you get 780. 7780. After that you get 7781. So it will be greater than 5.3 777 and it is less than 5.3 777. After you get 71, 72, 73 and so on 79, then 80. So now use a magnifying glass and observe the points between 5.3 777 and 5.3 778. Divide it into 10 equal parts, children. 5.3 777, then you get 5.3 777 then 5.3 772. Like that you get somewhere 5.3 after 772 777 774 you get 5.7775. Then you get 5.3 7776. Then 5.37777, then 5.37778. So in between 5.37776 and 5.37778 you get 5.37777. In this way, using the method of magnification, you can locate real numbers on the number line, children. Let's solve problems of exercise 1.4, children. First problem. Visualize 3.765 on a number line using successive magnification. So, we should check where 3.765 is present on the number line. How do you do this, children? Using successive magnification method. So children, first consider till one decimal point, 3.7. Where will this be on the number line, children? You all know the number line, right? So 3.7 is greater than 3.0 and it is less than 4.0. So number line, first number line, what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So assume that there is a magnifying glass and divide the part between 3 and 4, the next line segment between 3 and 4 into 10 equal parts. Between 3 means 3.0 and 4.0. Divide it into 10 equal parts. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3 and so on. You get 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and 4.0. So you are able to locate 3.7 on the number line, children. It is between 3.6 and 3.8. So we located till one decimal point. Let's take another decimal point now. 3.76. Where will 76 be, children? It is greater than 3.70 and it is less than 3.80. So this line segment between 3.7 and 3.8, assume there is a magnifying glass and divide it into 10 equal parts. 3.70, then you get 3.71 and so on. After 71 you get 72, 73, 74 and so on. So you get 3.75 somewhere, then 3.76, you know, right? After 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, then 76, then 3.77, 3.78, 3.79, then 3.80. So this part of line segment between 3.7 and 3.8, we divide it into 10 parts. So we got 3.76 here, where between 3.75 and 3.77. You are able to locate 3.76 on the number line. Now assume another Take another decimal point also, 3.765. We got 3.76. After 76, what you get? 3.76 means 3.760. 3.76 is what? 3.760. After 3.760, somewhere you get 3.761, 762. So it is greater than 3.760 and it is less than 3.770. So this part between 3.760 and 3.770, divide it into 10 equal parts. Assume you used a magnifying glass and divide it. After 3.760, you get 3.761, then 3.762, 3.763 and so on. What you get, children? 3.7. Okay, after 3.763, let me write 3.764 also. 3.764, then 3.765, then 3.766, 3.767 and so on. So children, you get 3.765 here, where after 3.764, 3.764. After 760, you get 761. Next 3.762, 3.763, then 3.764, then 3.765. So after 3.764 and before 3.766, you are able to locate 3.765. This is here, children. This is our question. You are able to locate. So first, step by step, after decimal point, take one digit, 3.7. Then take 2 digits, 3.76, then take 3 digits and so on. In this way you can do this, children. Second problem, children. Visualize 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. 4.26 bar. Bar is there on 2 digits. So it is 4.2626. That is, both digits will be repeating. They are asking to represent up to 4 decimal places. So let us represent till 4.2626. Children, you know the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So children, first take one decimal place, 4.2. You know that 4 is here. So let us assume that you have a magnifying glass and divide this 4 to 5, this line segment, into 10 equal parts. So first represent 4.2. After 4 is nothing but 4.0. Then you get 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4 and so on. 5.0. You get 4.9. Then you got 5.0. So in between 4 and 5, you are able to locate 4.2. That is, 4.2 is between 4.1 and 4.3. Now take another decimal point, 4.26. Where will be 4.26 be, children? 4.26 is greater than 4.20 and it is less than 4.30. After 4.20, you get 4.21, 4.22 and so on, 4.26. Then you get 4.27, 4.28, 4.29, 4.30. So this part of line segment between 4.2 and 4.3, let us divide it into 10 equal parts. 4.20, 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29, then you get 4.30. That is, 4.2 to 4.3 we divided into 10 equal parts. Then we found 4.26. Where is 4.26? It is between 4.25 and 4.27. Now after 4.26, let us assume another decimal point again. 4.262. Where will 4.262 be, children? After 4.26, that is 4.260, and before 4.270 you can find 4.262. So let us divide the line segment between 4.260 and 4.270 into 10 equal parts. 4.262 is greater than 4.260. After that you get 4.261, then 4.262. It is less than 4.270. So let us divide line segment again. 4.260 you get, then 4.261, then 4.262, 4.263, 264 and so on. So we can find 4.262 here. It is between 4.261 and 4.263. Now let us take another decimal point further. 4.2626. Children, 4.262, that means 4.2620. After that you get 4.262021. So between these 2 points 4.2626 exists. So let us divide this line segment into 10 parts. 4.2626 is greater than 4.2620. After 2620 you get 2621, then 2622, 2623, like that. It is less than 4.26. After 2620, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 you get 229. After you get 30. So in between these two decimal points you get 4.2626. So let us draw line segment and start with 4.2620, then 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, like that you get 2624, 4.2625, then you get 4.2626, then you get 4.2727 and so on. So children, now you are able to locate 4.2626 on the number line. It is between 4.2625 and 4.2627. Then you get 4.2628, 4.2629, then you get 4.2630. So children, we use magnification method and divide the line segment into 10 equal parts and proceed, children.
Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, share and subscribe.